Hello Leos, welcome to the extras. And as the name suggests, they are extra readings or extra messages for you. And I just hope that they have something to help you, somebody to help. And as you know, they are also general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. So let's see what's there for you in the extras. So let's see what are the messages for you from this deck. Okay, Leos. So what's causing you such a anxiety? And there is something burdensome and something, either it's an argument, either it's a fight, whatever it is, I really don't understand. You have wish fulfillment, you are emotionally satisfied, but then there is some aspect of your life which is making you anxious. You are stressed out, you are definitely stressed out, but with the Nine of Cups I really don't see any reason for you to be stressed out. Or maybe this is something which you are showing to the world, I don't know. But there is definitely something which is causing you a lot of stress. There is some sort of an argument or a conflict, or something is going on which is, though it is not that severe, but maybe you are taking it that severe. It can be that, or maybe it is always happening. There is some sort of a conflict and argument. Definitely something, maybe some sort of an argument is definitely happening over here. And with the Ten of Wands, you are carrying this burden, some sort of a burden which you are carrying, which is regarding a fight or a dispute, and this is the cause of your anxiety. But the thing is, with the Nine of Cups and with the Nine of Pentacles, you have all the abundances. I don't think it's so big. Maybe you are overthinking and overanalyzing, or maybe this is some other aspect of yours, and this you have all the, I see emotional and materialistic, all the, you have everything. With the Emperor, you are in a pretty good position. You are in a pretty good position status wise. And with the Two of Cups, there is a connection over here. See, now one thing is there it can be that these are the two aspects of your life. One aspect of your life, you are emotionally and financially okay, you are very satisfied, you are to the world everything is very happy, or maybe it's some aspect of your life which you don't have to bother about, but there is something else which is a source of this anxiety, and it is a conflicted situation, either in your mind, either you are not able to come to a conclusion for anything, and you are carrying a burden of some sort which is leading to the anxiety. It can be something of the past, it can be in the current situation, but there is definitely something going on behind the scenes. Okay, and here what I feel here is, with the Two of Cups, there is definitely a connection, and with the Seven of Cups, maybe somebody is being sneaky in your life, and that is why you are stressed out. It can be that also. You are definitely trying to balance this situation, and with the Queen of Swords, you are very guarded and cold towards this person or a situation, whatever it is. But with the Ten of Cups, again I see the family life, it's happy family. You are walking away towards emotional fulfillment. You are I should say, moving away from this tension. That's maybe that is that. And with the Page of Cups, you have your emotions. You are offering your emotions to someone here, or somebody is offering emotions, opening up to you. So see, it can be the fact that there is something which you, maybe somebody is here not being committed, not committing to you. Maybe you think somebody is behaving in a sneaky manner, somebody is cheating on you. Maybe that is the cause of your tension. But the thing is that it will balance out. You are walking away from this negativity, and with the Ten of Cups, I see emotional fulfillment. Ten of Cups, Nine of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, you have everything. It's not that you don't have things. I think there is some sort of deception which is going on, and that is the source of your conflict and anxiety. But otherwise, you are pretty okay, I think, or you will be okay. You will be okay, because I see you walking away from this negativity. Definitely. And with the Eight of Clubs, this is you are just looking back and trying to seek this is abundance which you have built, or a comfort level, or the stability which you have built after repeated sort of you've worked on it again and again. You've repeatedly worked hard on a situation, and you are just looking back to see, and that is the comfort which you have achieved. See, it can be some sort of a sneaky behavior which is being happening, which is a source of your conflict over here. But otherwise, I think things will be sorted out. Things will be okay. You will walk away from this negative situation also. I don't see you. I don't think you will be upset about it for long. You have everything. You have emotional satisfaction. You have financial satisfaction. You have that stability. You have everything. I don't think. Just try to overcome this situation. Whatever this is troubling you, Leo. It's not. Perhaps it's not that bad. Maybe you're overanalyzing it. Again and again, I'm getting it. Just try to turn your back towards it. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.